Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming eligibility. Check that your channel has the required subscriber threshold and no strikes. Once verified, enable monetization in Creator Studio and accept the membership terms so the option appears. Next, design 1 to 3 membership tiers. Decide specific perks like badges, emojis, early access, and prices. Make sure to name tiers clearly and set renewal settings. These initial steps unlock the membership flow. They are the foundation you need to move into configuring benefits and visuals. Now you configure perks and visuals to convert viewers into members. Upload custom loyalty badges and animated emojis following the platform size guidelines so they display correctly in chat. Test them. Then map perks to tiers. Assign exclusive posts, members-only live chat priority, and private videos with release schedules. Once done, write concise benefit descriptions that explain value, frequency, and access rules. Make sure to preview everything in the membership preview so the presentation matches expectations before you publish. You launch memberships by publishing them and announcing across your channel. Pin a launch post, include a short announcement video, and use the community tab. Then actively promote perks during streams and in descriptions. Once live, track conversion metrics and respond to member feedback quickly to retain subscribers. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot systematically. Confirm eligibility, verify payment/merchant settings, and check whether the feature is rolling out in your region. If persistent, gather screenshots and contact platform support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.